Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to easily delete savings plan on a Capitec bank customer. So guys, go to Google and search for Capitec bank customer service. As you can see here, click the first result, contact us, and you find guys two option: personal banking number, this is for personal, and you can contact this number 0860 10 20 43. For business banking, guys, contact this number and tell him I want to delete my savings plan, and you will guide you how to delete, and you can easily reply your delete savings plan, and you can do it. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and this contact our 24 client center on this number, as you can see here guys. This is how you can do guys. I hope this see you on another video soon. Keep watching.